Hey everybody, Don Golden with Expert Village. We are wrapping up this job, and this table leg or desk leg is going back where it belongs, and it's going to go on really good now that we've drilled out this hole, we've redoweled it, we've glued it. It's really, might even be better than new. Okay, so on the receiving end of this, where it's attached to the desk, you've got a metal collar here, or the female collar that's metal and it's embedded into the wood. That's why you have a two-sided screw here. The fine threads here go into the metal, and of course the coarse threads are going to go back into the wood. So simply what we're doing now is we're going to reinstall this by screwing your screw back in. We're going to go all the way down with it until it stops. And you got that seated very nicely now into the metal collar. Okay? So let's take our leg, and we got our new hole here. I'm going to seat this here, make sure it's nice and straight, and give it a little twist. Try to make sure it's straight when you start to turn it. And folks, do this slowly. Don't be in a rush, because what you're doing is you're creating brand new threads that are going to need to last a long time. So let's just keep going down here until it gets all the way down, okay? And hopefully it's nice, straight, and true. So far, so good. Here we go, down to the last turn. There. Now you don't want to over-tighten this, okay? Because the glue might even still be drying. But this is real snug and not going to go anywhere. And there you have it. We have just repaired what I think is a pretty nice desk, and without having to replace it, we did a heck of a job, okay? We fixed the table leg. Now the last part about this is standing up, taking a look at it, and maybe even writing a letter to Mom. Let's take a look. Here we go. Well, what do you know? Good as new. Okay, there's our repaired desk leg. Thanks for watching Expert Village.